In this video I'm going to show you how to set up Control Center in macOS. First we have to open up System Settings, and here it opens up in General, like this. From here we just click on Control Center, here. And here we have the basic options like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, AirDrop, Focus, Stage Manager, Screen Mirroring, etc. These modules, and we can click next to them and then select whether we want to show them in the menu bar here, for example for Wi-Fi, or don't show them in the menu bar like this. And yeah, that's basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.